Good morning everybody, welcome to another week of the weekly vlogs. Today's Friday. It is probably about 11:15 now. I just woke up because I just slept like a bloody baby last night, man. So I went to bed at 5 AM. So he's still asleep and I'm gonna piss him off because he's pissed me off coming to bed so late. But I need to get in there because I need to do my makeup. So he's gonna have a rude awakening after 6 hours of sleep. I'm about to make my smoothie. Basically all I wanted to tell you guys. I'm about to make my smoothie and then go to work. Hopefully I'll catch up with you one more time before I go to work. My eye's burning, I'm so tired still. Yeah, basically welcome to another vlog. Morning! Hey everyone, so it's much later now. It's 1:10. It's not much later, but it's a bit later now. It's 1:10. I'm gonna head out pretty much now. I'm just gonna get my bag together and everything. Makeup I've done today. It's Viva Glam Friday, so I had to do a Viva Glam look. So that's what I've got today. I've got MAC Viva Glam 2 on my lips. It's probably my favourite Viva Glam that we do. Although Sia's coming out with one and I want to see Sia's. It's like a proper red apparently. And yeah, earrings from River Island a couple of years ago. I'll show you my outfit if you're interested. So my leather jacket is from H&M. Vest is from ASOS. Jeans are Fashion Nova, but they've got a weird slit at the back of them. And then my shoes are Nikes. My little babies. So I'm gonna get off now. I'm gonna see you guys later on. And yeah, bye. Hi everybody! I've just got home from work. Well, I did go to Aldi to buy some smoothie mix stuff and some OJ. And some bananas, but that's smoothie stuff anyway. And a chicken Kiev, because that's what I might have for dinner, but I'm not very hungry. ATM. I'm just gonna watch Harry Potter number 6. We're on the Half-Blood Prince now. I'm really excited. I feel like this is where the story comes together. This is what we've been waiting for. I'm just gonna make myself a drink, pop my bottom on the couch, and chill. I did buy some, I'm putting it in my haul. I got a cardigan though from Boohoo. It's a tall cardigan. It's the Sophie cardigan, which is why I got it. It's just like, are you guys gonna be able to see? It's kind of like a knitty cardigan. I'm gonna wear it tomorrow, so you'll see it tomorrow. I'm gonna wear it with some ripped jeans, thigh highs, and a vest, and then like a belt wrapped around it for work. Because I really wanna make an effort at work from now on. I made an effort today. And yeah, I had some lovely customers today. I did 2 appointments and they were just lovely people, so that's always nice. So I'm just gonna pop on the laptop, have a little ponder around. I might order a couple of things, but I'm not completely sure just yet. I really want to save this month and I really want to spend this month, so who knows. But I'll see you probably when, ignore that. I'll see you guys later on if I decide to eat or not. Good morning everybody. Good afternoon everybody. Please ignore my hair. I've just pinned it back because I hate my hair on my face. But I'm wearing my hair down today, so it has to be on my face, but it's only gonna be on my face when I'm at work. Anyway, it is 1:20. I start work at 3:30, so I've got a little bit of time before I need to leave. However, I've just filmed a haul. Should I get, is this gonna be a sneak peek? No, you would have seen it already. But this is the aftermath. So I'm just gonna tidy this up. Oh, and there's me. Hi, hey, how you doing? So I'm just gonna tidy all this up. I'm gonna make myself some lunch. I'm just gonna have a chicken Kiev because I bought some yesterday and that's all I really fancy. And then that's about it, basically. I'm wearing my new cardigan already. I filmed with it on because I just wanted to wear it because it's so pretty. Yes. Do I have anything to let you know? No. I'm basically going to work today. I'm on a cash up, which is always fun because you just stand there and wait for customers to leave. Yeah, pretty much it. If I tidy this up, I might try and start editing the haul that I've just filmed, but who knows, because I'm still waiting for my video to upload from the other day, so we'll see, we'll see. Good afternoon everybody. It is Sunday. It's 1:15 and I had to call in sick to work today because yesterday I got sent home from work because I was so ill. So apologies that I didn't vlog yesterday. It literally just sprung out of me out of complete nowhere. I had a sore throat in the morning which I've still got now. And when I got to work, like all here started to kill, and then I started like sweating like really bad. Within an hour I was in the toilets vomiting. A few girls have been off because they've had a bug as well, and I think it just finally hit me. So yesterday I got home about like 5 to 6, and I started at 3:30. Like I was not at work for long because I was just so ill straight away. I didn't even think I was going to make it home because of how ill I was. And I spent from 6 o'clock to 9:15 just non-stop vomiting. I know this is really TMI and I apologise, but I'm just letting you know what happened. Yeah, just non-stop vomiting. My face went green because all the colour just came out of it. My face went green. My lips were as red as a rose because I was so dehydrated. I was so weak. Tom was at work, so I was by myself. I've never been that ill in my life. Ever. I've never ever been that ill. And then I managed to sleep from 9 until midnight, and Tom got home. And then I started again. It died down about 5 o'clock in the morning. And then I've kind of been off and on sleeping since then. I'm very weak. I'm super hungry because obviously I vomited up everything I had. I vomited up even things that I didn't even have in my belly. That's why it was orange and yellow. Tom's just going to the shop now. I just want a pastry or something really light, like a croissant. He's just going to Sainsbury's now. But I just wanted to let you guys know, like yesterday I didn't vlog, and today I'm probably not going to vlog too much. But yeah, apologies. I'm so tired. Like I feel like, oh, I'm just not good right now. Not good. But yeah, hopefully I can see you parts of today when I start to feel better. I don't feel like I need to vomit, which is good. I just feel like worn out. Like if you guys like have ever vomited, which I'm sure you have, you know what it feels like at the end, like when you're just trying to get energy back in your body. Morning everyone, it is Tuesday, it is about 9 o'clock. I have work in an hour, so I need to leave in about like half an hour. I didn't vlog at all yesterday. All I did was went to get my nails done, like little stars, because I was so ill, like really bad. At one point I was shivering so bad that I felt like I was gonna vomit, and it was really painful. So when I finished getting my nails done, I just came straight home and went to bed. I was meant to get my lips done yesterday, but I was just in so much pain already that I just couldn't. But yeah, I'm off to work today. I finish at 4, so I'll be home a bit earlier. I just need to clean the apartment a bit, edit and start uploading. So hopefully we'll get some content later. I just want to apologise that I haven't been vlogging. I just have not been well. I do feel a little bit better today. Still bunged up, head's killing me, and I haven't eaten since Sunday. So I'm very hungry, so I'm gonna eat. I just got kettle boiled. I'm having lemsip, which is helping. I just need to find something to eat because I'm so hungry. I've got bio oil all over my face, if that's why you're thinking why I'm shiny. And I'm not wearing any makeup today because I'm too ill to wear it. So I will see you guys tonight when I come home. Hey you guys, look how bloody tired I am. Oh my god. It is about midnight now, well, 5 to midnight. I came home, wow. After work, I chilled at work to upload a video because their Wi-Fi in Selfridges is super fast. So I uploaded my weekly vlog. And then I came home and I had a nap. I am shattered. Look how dark my under eyes are. Jesus. Yeah, I had a nap. And then I woke up and I just cleaned up in here a little bit. Like it wasn't like dirty or anything, but it was like messy, and it was just making me feel like more unwell. Like I'm such like a neat, like tidy kind of person, and like Tom's just kind of like blasé. Like he's not like dirty, he's just kind of like whatever. Because I've literally just been at work or like tucked up in bed for like 3 or 4 days now. Like this room's just gone to like the bad side. yeah, so I tidied up a little bit. I made myself dinner. I haven't eaten since Sunday and it's now Tuesday. I had 3 spoonfuls of rice and I couldn't eat anymore. I'm absolutely starving though. Like my belly is grumbling and I know I'm hungry. I just cannot eat like at all. So I'm just gonna try and make a smoothie because maybe that'll help me. Obviously that's got like fruit in, so like it's still food. I've just been sat watching Friends. I'm still trying to get better, but it's just not working. So I'm gonna edit a video. And yeah, basically enjoy my night. I'm really, really sorry that this vlog has been really shit this week. I've just been so unwell, like so ridiculously run down. Hopefully next week will be a bit better if I get better, but we'll have to see. But yeah, did I show you my nails today? This is what they're like. So they've got stars on them, and then like this one's got like foil imprint on them as well. I thought I'd go quite simple now because my Valentine's ones are about to be off the chain. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna edit a video now. I try to cool down because I'm absolutely roasting. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm really sorry that this vlog's been so quick. Hey guys, so it is like 1:30 on Wednesday. Oh wait, so now we have one more day of vlogging. Oh, that's good then. I've just got to work. I'm really early because I had to do something before. I edited a video last night and I'm going to upload it here at work so that it can go live tomorrow because we've got one tonight and we had one yesterday. So 3 days in a row. I think that's quite good. I feel much better today. I'm not better though, like I'm still quite ill. My head is pounding, I'm absolutely roasting. My eyes are burning and I feel so tired. Still got a cough and the sniffles, but I feel like I can function today. Whereas yesterday I just felt like kill me, just end it. But yeah, I feel like a little bit more better today basically. I'm excited for work today as well, because I feel like I can actually do stuff. Whereas yesterday I was just like moping around, and I managed to put makeup on today as well. Even though I look extremely pale, I'm not. But I am, because I've got no fake tan on. But yeah, I just did like a really quick smoke. Nothing too major. Brows, face, and lips as usual. But yeah, I'm gonna go and get into work because then I can start uploading my video, and I will see you guys tonight. I finish at 8 tonight, Sam finishes at 9, so we're gonna watch the last Harry Potter together and chill out, and I'm gonna vlog quite a bit because I feel like I have, all this vlog has just been me being ill. And then tomorrow I start work at 4:30, so we're gonna film in the morning, do some stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys later on. Look how bad my fake tan is. Wow. Good afternoon, everyone. It is about 12 on Thursday. That would be my brother. On Thursday. And then it's my brother again. And again. I've been awake since about 10. And I've just been in bed watching Friends because I don't have work. Shut up! Because I don't have work till 4:30. My fake tan is abysmal. Because I've been rubbing like Vicks and Vapor Rub, and I've been sleeping with flannels on me and everything. My fake tan's just gone insane, so I'm going to scrub it all off in a bit. I am feeling way better today. I have a little bit of a snotty nose, but nothing major. My throat's a lot better, but I have got a few bits of a cough, and I've got not a fever, but I'm quite warm. And I've got a little bit of a headache, but I think I'm just dehydrated more than anything. So yeah, would be my luck that I would get better on the last day of the vlog. But at least it means that tomorrow when we start a new week, I'll be better. So yeah, I'm just in I'm in a much better mood now. I can smile and I can open my eyes, which is good. So yeah, I've just been watching Friends. I'm gonna have a shower, scrub all this shit off, wash my hair, tidy up the apartment a bit, get ready to go to work, and then yeah, I'm dreading to edit this vlog because it's just going to be me complaining all day. One of my friends from work who Oh, she just melts my heart. Brought me loads of stuff to get better yesterday. I'll insert a picture here. And it's just helped so much, and it was just so nice. And like, I was so ill and I just felt so emotional. Like I was about to start crying. Like she gave it to me on the shop floor and I was like, don't cry. And like, but I was so ill that I just felt like emotionless. Like not emotionless, but like that I usually, like I was presenting like no emotion. But yeah, so yeah, we've got wet today, 4:30, 10:30. I'm just dreading it already because I just want to stay in bed. And then we're off tomorrow, but we start our new vlog tomorrow. So I'm going to film in the morning. I was going to film today, but I didn't know how I was going to feel, so I didn't want to put pressure on myself. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this week. I will vlog a little bit more today, but like I said, I'm not doing that much major. I'm just watching Friends and just waiting for the day. Hey guys, so it's much later now. It's 20 to 4. I'm as pale as can be. Scrubbed that fake tan off, and I'm not fake tanning till tonight. But I'm going to end the vlog here because I have nothing else to do or tell you guys or anything like that. You guys can just see me. Look at all that mess that I'm hiding behind there. Yeah, I'm gonna end it here because I'm literally just gonna go to work, come home at about 11ish, fake tan and go to sleep basically, and then start tomorrow fresh. Again, apologies, I don't know how many times I've apologised for it, that this week has been a bit slow and boring. My arm was hurting, sorry, let's just rest on here. That this week was a bit slow and boring. I just have not been feeling good. Like I said, I do feel quite a bit better. My belly's playing up. My belly's been playing up for about 2 days now. I don't know if it's because I just haven't eaten, or like what it could be, so I'm not sure. My throat had a problem with it, but I've just swallowed some honey, so hopefully that can soothe it down a bit. But yeah, I do hope you guys enjoyed this. If any of you even made it this far, then well done, because I don't think I'll make it this far editing it. I'm really sorry about how much I've complained and how ill I have been, but tomorrow hopefully I'm going to feel the best I've ever felt, and we can start our new vlog. My car needs to get its MOT checked tomorrow, and I'm fucking scared. I know that I need 2 new light bulbs and that's it, and I hope that's all I need, because that's about 50 quid, 40 quid, that's about 50 quid, 60 quid, 70, 80, I don't know. I hope that's all, I hope that's all it needs. So yeah, tomorrow and next week should hopefully be a better vlog, because this one was just a fail, if I'm honest. But yeah, I will see you guys very soon. I love you very much, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.